Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I want to talk to you about a new series I'm going to do on these things. These are, multi-bitted screwdrivers, bit drivers, whatever you want to call them. Some of these things are ratcheting, some of them are not. Some of them come in cases or pouches. Some of them just have tool holding inside of them. Now, instead of doing one big long video, I'm going to do several short videos on each individual tool and then a overlapping one at the end. Today we're going to talk about the Doyle. This is the Doyle, and the Doyle calls this the 11-in-1. And what it has is an interchangeable thing, much like your standard little screwdrivers, that has a changeable bit, but these are a little slick. Inside of the changeable bit, there's multiple changeable bits. And what you have on this tool, I'm going to go to my notes for this, you have a T10, T15, you have square drive 1 and square drive 2, Phillips head 2, a 1/4 inch and 3/16 slotted, Phillips head 1 as well, and then 3 nut drivers, 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 5/16. The nut drivers are actually here, here, and here, and that's what gives you your 11 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now this tool has a few good things going for it. The first is I like the selection of bits it has. It has just about most of what I would need here in a woodworking shop, or what you would need at home for your general just assembly of something you bought at the store that needs assembly. We all know these things all need assembly now. The ratcheting mechanism is good on this. It's not as fine as some of the other ones I'm going to review, but it is good and it's solid. This is a very solid tool. I like the build quality of this. Doyle is one of Harbor Freight's top brand names. Only thing above this in their whole line would be Icon, and I don't think Icon makes a ratcheting screwdriver. So at Harbor Freight, this is as good as it gets for a ratcheting screwdriver, and I do really like this. I like the bit selection you get. I like the stoutness of it. This is heavy duty, and I like the price. It's under $20. It's selling for like 14 bucks right now, and we all know at Harbor Freight you can always get a deal. If you're an Inside Track Club member, this thing you can get when they do the 30% off sale. You can get this thing for about 10 bucks and change. At 10 bucks and change, this is probably the best bang for your buck you're going to find in a ratcheting screwdriver. Okay, next we're going to talk about this one here, which is the Klein 20-in-1. I'll see you tomorrow with that one.